talking AI avatars are taking over YouTube. And today we've got Quita LaShawn, the avatar baddie leading the movement. Quita, are you ready? Tell us how you're helping people create their own stunning AI avatars with your updated step-by-step method.
Absolutely. I'm super excited for today's training, so let's just jump right into it. So after my last video on how to create a talking AI avatar got over 100,000 views, I decided to bring you guys the updated version. Now with this version and this method, I'm going to teach you how to create a realistic talking avatar, but it's going to be much smoother and much more realistic. I'm going to show you the top tools that I use, and hopefully you can implement this strategy as well to update your talking AI avatar. So like always, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so the first step to creating our realistic talking avatar is to go over to a site called Whisk AI. Now, Whisk AI is part of the Google Lab tools, and this is an awesome tool for you to create your realistic talking AI avatar. And it's going to also help us cut down on some of the steps. So once you set up your account, you're going to come to a screen like this. And the first thing we're going to do is to generate our image. So you are going to click on Enter Tool. And you can also complete all of these steps from your iPhone. So once you hit Start Tool, you're going to put in the description you want of your AI avatar and what you want her to be doing. So I have a description or text prompt that I've already created, and we're going to put in that prompt here. Now, this is pretty much saying that I want an African-American woman around the age of 35 years old sitting in the driver's seat of her luxury black Jeep with red leather seats. She has a confident glam look as if she's recording a YouTube video. The camera angle is from the front passenger seat, slightly tilted towards her, capturing her in a vlogging pose. She's wearing a stylish, trendy clothes with flawless beats, bold makeup, perfectly laid honey blonde wavy lace front wig, and red long acrylic nails. The lighting is bright and flattering, showcasing her luxury and beauty influencer vibe. So you can pretty much put in how you want your AI avatar to look, where you want her to be, and it will create that image that you will need to turn into a video. Now, before we create the image, we're going to click down at the bottom on the size, and we're going to make sure it's the correct size. So I'm doing this for YouTube, so I'm going to make sure it's a 16:9. Also, with this method, you don't have to worry about copying a seed number or saving a seed number, because we are going to do another step to make sure we get consistent avatars each and every time. So we're going to hit the arrow, and then we're going to wait, and it's going to give us 2 images to choose from. Okay, so it did not give us 2 images, but it did give us 1 good image for us to work with, and I like it. So once you have the image that you want to work with, you just click on it, and at the top you see animate. Now animate will allow you to turn this image into a video without having to leave the Whisk AI tool. So that helps eliminate a step where you won't have to go over to all these different tools. You'll just be in this tool where you can create your image, and you can also animate your image in one tool. So we're going to click on animate. We're going to put in another prompt. Now this prompt is going to help her have movement as if she's recording a YouTube video. I'll also leave that prompt below this video. Okay, so now that it is done generating, we're going to hit play. Awesome. Everything looks amazing. And now that we got that downloaded, we're going to take it over to our next tool. Now the next tool that we're going to be working with is Remaker. It's the same tool from my first video, but instead of us doing a face swap on an image, we're going to do a face swap on a video. This is going to make sure that your AI avatar or your AI influencer look exactly like you. So you will need credits. This is not a free feature of Remaker, so you will need to purchase credits, and I think the lowest package of credits they have is about $7. So you're going to click on video swap face, and once you click on video swap face, you're going to upload the video that we just created in Wix. Next, you're going to scroll down and you're going to upload your target face. So if you have a selfie, you're going to upload that selfie. Once you get your image uploaded, you have an option to choose between a regular swap, which will charge you 8 credits and it will take 8 seconds, or you can choose the 32 credits for 8 seconds, and that's going to be the Face HD swap. So you have a choice between the regular swap and the Face AD swap. We're just going to go with the regular swap. Okay, so our video is done generating, and we're just going to hit play just to make sure the face swap did go good. So let's hit play. Face swap did go good. We're just going to hit download and save it to our device, and we're going to go over to our last tool. Okay, so the last tool that we're going to be using is the DreamFace app. Y'all know this is my favorite tool for lip syncing. So what you're going to do is open up the app, and at the bottom you should see profile. You're going to click on profile, and once you click on profile, you're going to see creations, avatars, voices, and likes. You're going to click on avatars. Once you click on avatars, you're going to click on the plus sign. The plus sign will let you upload a new avatar. So we're going to upload that video that we just got from Remaker from the face swap. So we're going to get that video uploaded. Now we have that video uploaded. That is a 8-second video. Let me explain this to you one more time, because I get a lot of questions saying that you cannot create talking lip syncing with this app that's longer than 8 and 30 seconds, and that's not true. So the video itself without the sound is 8 seconds. However, when you add your voiceover, you are going to get a longer video. Now, if you are on the pro plan, you can upload audio up to 3 minutes long. Okay, so now that we have our avatar uploaded, we're going to click on explore. Once you click on explore, you're going to go up to video lip sync. Once you click on video lip sync, as you can see, that is the video face swap that we created in Remaker. And now all we have to do is add our script. Now you have 2 options. You can use the built-in voices that DreamFace have, and you can paste your text in, and it will make your avatar talk. However, I upload my own voice, and I created in the voice memo app on my phone. Once I'm done recording, I will save that as a file and I will upload it. So I'm just going to click here, and then I'm going to click on import from files, and then I'm going to get that particular file. Now, in order to get your whole entire audio, you have to make sure this little box down here, so this bar down here, you have to make sure it goes all the way to the end. So if you have a 3-minute voiceover, you want to make sure that all of the box below is selected. Okay, that's how you're going to get your full length of audio. So I hope that makes sense. Once you click confirm, you're going to hit automate. And once you click automate, it's going to turn that video into a talking video so your avatar can have sound. So it takes a minute, but once it's done, you'll have your talking AI avatar. Y'all, I be having so much fun teaching y'all how to create these different AI talking avatars. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to learn something in particular, or if you want to learn something new. Just let me know what it is, and I'll be happy to create a training video on that. Now, compared to my first video, our ending results with the updated method was amazing. It gave us a more realistic talking AI avatar, and it also helped us cut down on some steps where we don't have to go from tool to tool. Now, I hope this video was helpful.